Hi guys, welcome back to Weight Loss with Day. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this green detox juice. This juice that is capable of flushing your system, flushing your body of all toxins and impurities you must have gotten through bad meals, through drugs, through alcohol, through smoking, and any other means of getting toxins into the body. So, this drink is what you shouldn't joke with at all. And also, if you want to lose weight, you can also add this drink to one of your detox juices. So, back to my kitchen, we'll be using some spinach. I got this one from ShopRite. Then also some cucumbers, and we'll also be using some celery stalks. And of course, no smoothie is a smoothie without lemon. And here I have my green apples, and that is all we'll be needing for this recipe. So first thing I want to do is to get my white vinegar and wash off my green leafy vegetables like my celery and also my spinach, because really these things have been open to dust. And also the spinach I got from from ShopRite, definitely it must have some preservatives or some chemicals they even use to preserve it, you understand? So you really want to get your veggies clean before making them into your juice. So you have to make sure that even when you're trying to cleanse yourself, you also use clean things. So if you don't have white vinegar, you can use salt and water. So here I am, I'm cutting off my celery stalks, and I'll be including the leaves with them. You can decide to go without the leaves, but I decided to include the leaves. Yeah, so if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to know when I post healthy meals such as this. My name is Day, and I am a health and fitness coach, and I share so many recipes to healthy living and weight loss. So if you are actually a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again, and don't forget to always come back for more. So I'm cutting in my spinach, and that is going to be that for my leafy greens, and I'm just going to pour them into my bowl. That done, I'm going to get my apples, washed apples, of course, and then I'm just going to give them a very, very good cut and also transfer them into my bowl when I'm done. So, yeah, I actually forgot to include my cucumbers. In this video. Like, I actually finished I finished shooting the video, even I was almost done with my juice when I remembered I left out my cucumber. So make sure to include your cucumber in this recipe as well. The next thing we'll be adding is our ginger. Ginger is also important in this recipe. I actually was supposed to remove the peel of the ginger, but baby girl was so lazy. So all I did was make sure that I washed the ginger properly to make sure that all sand was removed. But if you can remove the peel before cutting into bits. So I transferred it into my bowl, of course, and yeah, I have my bowl. And the next thing we are going to be adding to this recipe is our lemon. So this lemon looks like orange. I know it's actually not orange. It's a lemon I got from my aboki. So this is actually the species of lemon it sells. So I'm using just half of this. But if you're using the regular small lemon, you can use a whole one. And as you can see, I'm not just bringing out the juice. I'm actually using all the parts of the orange aside the back. So I'm just going to cut this up, and my greens are ready. Don't forget, I forgot to add my cucumber. So here I am, I'm adding just 1 cup of water, and I'm just going to blend this up a bit to get my nutrients out. Then I put in the remaining ingredients, and I gave it a good blend. So if you have a juicer, you don't need to go through this whole stress. Just juice your juice and get it up right there. So I added just little water to get out the natural natural juice first. So yeah, I'm back. I added about 1 cup more of water to get myself enough juice. So with that done, I'm going to get my sieve cloth or cheesecloth or sieve, and I'm just going to try to juice this out. So you really want to make sure that everything you use in this recipe is actually clean and hygienic, okay? You want to make sure that you are very, very hygienic when making this juice. So I'm just going to squeeze the life out of this juice and get out of my juice. And so yeah, I'm done squeezing the life out of it. And here is my chaff. You can actually use this in any baking of your choice. And our green detox juice is ready. Very, very greeny and yummy. So don't forget to try this out and let me know how you feel with this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you guys again. Mwah.